Hey there, quick note before we dive in. What you're watching right now is a lesson from one of my courses that I've decided to release completely for free here on YouTube so you don't have to pay a dime. So instead of asking you to buy my course, if you want to show your appreciation, here's a couple of things that you can do. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel. These small actions tell YouTube to share my content with more people, which is a huge help. Also, feel free to check out my recommended equipment links in the description below. If you do purchase equipment from these links, I do get a small commission at no extra cost to you whatsoever. Or if you want to, you can leave me a super thanks or even just hit play on one of my playlists. I know it sounds silly, but if you just hit play on one of my playlists and let it play in the background, even if you're not paying attention, it tells YouTube, hey, people are watching these videos. I'm going to push it out to more people. So even if you just want to do that, I would love it. I would appreciate it so much. And then lastly, if you're looking for more personalized help, I do offer private coaching that you can find in the description of this video. Either way, I really appreciate you, whether you choose to do one of these things or not. Just by simply watching this video, it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. Now, let's get to the lesson. Okay, so before we can begin to understand a compressor, we first need to understand what it is. The easiest way to understand compression is simply this. Compression is just an automatic volume leveler. That's it. It's just maintaining a consistent volume throughout your recording. It turns the loudest parts of your recording down, and it turns the quietest parts of your recording up. Okay, well, I'm sure you've been led to believe that compression is incredibly complicated and in-depth, and there's no way it can be that simple. Nope, it really is that simple. There's a lot of people out there that either don't actually understand compression and therefore shouldn't be making videos about it, or they are purposefully trying to overcomplicate it to make you feel dumb so they can feel smart. Now, don't get me wrong, compression can get complicated once you begin using it in advanced ways, but for what we do, there's just no need for any of that. So now that we know what compression is and what it does, let's break down the parameters of a compressor so we can begin using it and shaping our audio.